Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create a playlist on Spotify if you didn't already know. So at first, you must have your app downloaded via your Play Store if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iOS device, you must have your app downloaded via App Store. So you must open your app first, and after you reach this page, you need to find your library, which will be at the bottom right here. So after clicking on that, if you already have playlist, you can see right here it will be all listed right here. And if you want to create a new playlist, you need to click on this plus sign at the top right corner. After clicking that, they'll ask for a name for your playlist, which you can enter anything you'd like, or you can even skip this process by clicking on the skip button. I'm gonna keep in a name, and now you need to click on create button right here. After clicking that, you'll reach your playlist with no songs, and you need to add the songs you like to keep on this playlist. So to add the songs, you just need to click on this add songs button, and you can add any song you like. Adding songs is really simple. You just need to click on this plus sign right here, and you can even search for songs whichever you like. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So I'm searching for Can't Help Falling in Love, and there are many songs, and you just need to click plus sign of the one you like to keep on your playlist. So after I click that, they are already in my playlist, and they'll show the similar songs to Can't Help Falling in Love via the algorithm of Spotify. So let's go back. Now you can see it's already on my playlist. Here it's written you added this, and the Spotify itself adds some songs for you through its algorithm, so that they'll know what you like or what you don't like. If you don't like those songs, you can even remove it, or if you do like them, you can keep on listening it. So I believe I've taught you guys how to create a playlist on Spotify, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.